Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this eufy Pet Dog Camera, the model D605. Well, let's open to see what we have inside, find out more, connect it to my network and see how it works. Did I mention that I love eufy products? They are doing an amazing job, so premium products. Thumbs up eufy. We've got the quick start guide. Accessories, I'm sure. Oh, and it is huge. Oh yeah. Nothing else at the box. Whoa. Wow. I like it. Nice design. Amazing. Wow. Thumbs up eufy. Great product. Only for the first look I can say I'm speechless. I like it. Well, let's see one by one the accessories, what we've got out of the box. Okay, out of the box we've got the power adapter. It is 12 volt, 2000 mAh. And the length of the cable, it is 2 meters, very convenient. Plug it in at any plug you wish. Okay, let's see one by one at the device. Here it is the outlet for treats. We've got the microphone, the speaker, the lens, 1080p, capture all the details from the surroundings with a 270-degree angle view of the camera. And around we've got the infrared light for the night vision, the LED status indicator at the front, eufy Pet logo, and you can remove this cap and insert all the treats. We've got the sync button, release. You can release the container. You can see how it looks at inside. There is the container. It is washable. You can wash it at the dishwasher with no problem. Nice. And of course, you can install it again. Press and lock, so easy. And you can see it says max. This is the max capacity that you can insert inside. And at the back we've got 3 rubber feet. You can remove this white and you can stick it permanently in the place you want to have this pet fitter. That's how it will not fall down and it will be more safe for your pet. We've got the connection, here it goes, here the connection, and here it says remove the lid and pour out the residue. Press, slide, remove that, and here you can remove any unnecessary from the treats. And you can install that again. Just slide, press, and it lock. Now let's install the power adapter. Perfect. Closing the lid, and at the lid you can see we've got rubber around. It is watertight, water sealed very well. Well, I can say to my all experience, until now, it is a very premium product, well manufactured, and it has so many details that makes the product premium. Well, let's plug it in. We can see we've got a green light at the front. eufy Pet, I already made an account. Ooh, I like how it rotates. Okay, at the device, we need to scan the QR code. Okay, perfect. Plug the device, wait until the LED light turns solid blue. It is solid blue.
Press the button on top until you hear a beep.
Okay, we need to press the button as I saw you here. I have heard the beep. Perfect. You need to choose a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, enter the password, confirm.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network, please wait.
Perfect.
Setup was successful.
Next, camera name, Adma. Next, update now. It will take about 9 minutes. After that, we can come back. Now there we are, and we can see treats are almost empty. Yes, correct. You can use many treats at the market for your pet, from the smaller. Every time that it treats your dog, it will throw about 2 to 3 of these. This is in a correct shape, bone shape, only one you will get. And this is the larger one. Yes, you will get only one, and from these treats. Perfect. Now let's remove it. Container. Let's start on the baker. You can use some of this. And this, why not? Just take that. That was all. Very easy. Lock it. And now we can see icon is clear. That means it's full. And let's have some fun. You can just slide with your finger and you can see we've got one line, second line, and third line. And just release. And of course you can rotate the camera left or right. Whoa, he was scared by the movement of the camera. Let me say a huge thanks to my friend July and Joanna for letting me take some footage with Adma, the name of the dog. It is amazing. I am in love with this dog. It's so beautiful. And you want all the time just make hugs with this dog. Thank you, Adma, for the great footage. Now let's see some of the specs. Of course, you can record. Start recording. Stop and save it to phone album. You can take a screenshot. You can start speak. Adma, you like treats? Sit. And definitely you can hear my voice is so clear. You can give a command. Go a tossing sound a command. Play sound command before tossing. Tossing sound. You can add a new command. Hey, done. Next, you can record. Hey, fetch. Save. Play. You can record. Hey, fetch. Okay, perfect. You can delete or edit. We've got the audio on or off. Activity. And then we've got all the activities. If that is a dog selfie, treat tossing, dog activity detected. So many. You can choose by day. You can choose one of the video. You can download, share, donate or delete the video. And you can see the length, it is 15 seconds. you can submit an error full screen and you can see the day and the time when taking this footage. Let's go back. We've got more. Home. You can turn off the auto night vision and again turn on the auto night vision. And of course you can look around to 70 degrees. Tracking. You can enable the tracking. Disable. You can do a calibration. Now let's go at the settings. Here you can rename your camera. You can turn off or on your camera. You can turn off the status LED, turn on again. Same for the auto night vision, turn off or on. Logo watermark. Do you want to hide the eufy pet logo watermark displayed on the video? Tossing recording. When tossing, it will record the footage. Motion detection. Turn on or off the motion detection. You can adjust the activity zone, sensitivity from low to high. Detection type, you can choose person, dog, or all motion. Only dog right now. Choose the motion tracking. If you select dog detection only, the tracking will track dog only. Perfect. Sound detection, and here you can select the type of sound you want to detect, all sound, barking, and you can choose the sensitivity from lowest to highest. And definitely I need to try that if I will get notification to my smartphone if any barking will sound. And there I have notification instantly. Amazing. Thumbs up, I like that. Let's go back. Tossing sound and command, I already showed you that. Video quality, you can choose streaming auto, high, medium or low, auto of course. Recording quality, compress it Full HD or Full HD 1080p. Full HD 1080p for me. Audio settings, you can switch it on or off the microphone. Audio recording for your videos on or off. You can adjust the volume of the speaker. Notification settings, motion you can get for dog, person, all motion, sound for barking, all motion. You can choose what you want. Interval time minutes from 0 to 5 minutes. It will be wisely just have it on 0. Content extension of notification, most efficient, full effect or include thumbnail. Motion alerts, choose which sound you want. Okay. Camera schedule, add a schedule, turn on, off. You can choose the time and the minutes, choose the days of the week, and save. Local storage, we have 16 GB of internal storage. The available is 14.4 GB. You can see the clips 300 MB and the total and the available. You can format, of course. Wi-Fi connection, you can reschedule to connect to a new Wi-Fi connection. Time settings, current time, time format and choose time zone. About the device and restart and remove the device. So many settings, unlike when an app, it gives you so many options, so many settings to choose to your needs. Now it's about time to test in the night vision with the 4 high infrared LEDs. Let's go back. And you can see at the main screen, last seen person detected, treat storage is high, last toss is yesterday. We've got some information. Now I'm moving up the camera. And yep, we've got notification, someone has been spotted. You can press. And there's the video. And yep, we've got notification, someone has been spotted. And I think at the night I'm looking great. It is amazing the view, and definitely you can see your dog. Unfortunately, Adma, it can't be with us at this moment. That's why I'm testing myself at the night vision. And I think I'm looking great. It is amazing. 4 high bright infrared LEDs are doing an amazing job. Well guys, that was all about this eufy Pet Dog Camera D605. I'm using this camera a week now and I'm so happy. Especially Adma is waiting in front of the camera for treats. Wow, I love this dog. It's so beautiful. I'm in love. Again, thanks to my friend July and Joanna for letting me take some footage with Adma. And I'm sure guys, you will enjoy this video watching Adma take his treats and do things in front of the camera. If you want to buy it, there is a link down below the description. Just click. It will go to my profile and just find the camera and buy it. Of course, there are so many products from eufy. Eufy is doing premium products. Definitely any product that you are buying from eufy, you will be so happy and enjoy all the options and the settings from the app, of course. Honestly, I don't see any problem with this dog camera. It's working perfectly. It doesn't matter which treats you will have at the container, it's working for your dog, for your lovely dog. It is a great opportunity, have it at your home. Your dog is at your home, you are in work, and just give some treats to your dog and speak with your dog. And of course, see your dog through the camera and let him know that you care and give him some treats. It is an amazing camera and it's working great at the day and at the night. The footage is so good. I like that it has so many options to work with this camera. It is a premium product. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video. You never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.